Today's lesson is a really fun beginner song called We Will Rock You. Super easy to learn. You only need 4 notes, and actually the pattern is very simple too. So let's begin by learning the 4 notes that we need for this song. The first note we have in the first measure is a C, and a C is on the 3rd space, which means we start at the bottom space, that's 1, 2nd space, and here's the 3rd space, that's a C. We play a C with our home keys on your left hand up top, your 2nd finger on the 2nd home key, that's a C. The next note that we need is the very next note in the song, and notice it's on the middle line. That note you might recognize, it's called a B. We play B by pressing down. Instead of our 2nd home key with our 2nd finger, we have to switch to our 1st home key with our 1st finger, and that makes the note B. Now the 3rd note we need is the next note in the song. It's the note A, and A is in the 2nd space. We count up from the bottom, space 1, space 2. That's called the note A. And for this one, we press down on our top hand, our left hand, home key 1 with your 1st finger, home key 2 with your 2nd finger. So it's like playing B, but add the next finger. A 4th and final note that we need for this song, this is a G. It's on the 2nd line from the bottom. So line 1 at the bottom, line 2, that is the note G. And all we have to do is take our home keys that we had for A, 1, 2, and we just add the 3rd finger, and that is the note G. So those are the 4 notes that we need. Let's take a look at the first measure of music. We have 4 quarter notes, C, B, A, G. And the way we play quarter notes, it's 1 sound per beat, or toe tap. So you're tapping your toe on a beat about this speed, tap, 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 tap. And with your tongue, you're going to tongue the notes like this. Ta, 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 ta. And the notes we have to play are C, B, A, G. Let's try playing that measure. We're going to sit up nice and tall on the edge of our chair. Your feet are flat on the floor. You're holding your saxophone up like this. Of course, we've got our neck strap adjusted so that the saxophone mouthpiece swings right to your mouth when you're getting ready to play. So, band face, O, bottom lip, top teeth. Set your mouthpiece, and we're going to start with our fingers in the position for a C. Here we go. First measure. Tap your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make sure you're putting a little T sound with the tip of your tongue right here, tapping the reed right here to go 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's try that one more time. First measure again. Tap your toe with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're pretty much almost done the song. Let's look at the next measure. We've got these 2 notes, A, A, and they both have a stem coming up, and they have this line across connecting them. That's called a beam. And when you see notes that look like this, with the stem going up and they're connected with a beam, those are called 8th notes. 8th notes are when you have 2 sounds in the space of 1 beat, like this. We have A, A. This is a quarter note rest, that squiggly line. So you tap your toe on beat 2, and you don't play. It's called a rest. And then another pair of 8th notes on A, T, T, on beat 3, then a rest. So this measure will sound like this. T, T, rest. T, T, rest. Try that with your tongue. Go T, T, rest. T, T, rest. Set your fingers on an A, 1, 2, and we're going to tap our toe together, and we're going to play measure 2. Band face, sitting tall, measure 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take measure 1 and measure 2 and put them together to make the complete phrase. And we're going to start using our metronome to help us hear the tap of where our foot should be tapping. Get your foot ready to tap and your fingers set for the first note, which is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the really cool thing about this song. Once you've learned those 2 measures, that is the whole song. We just keep repeating that. If we take a look at the sheet music, here's what we just played. C, B, A, G, A, rest, A, rest. And then look at the next two measures. It's the same exact thing. Then look at this. We have this arrow here. See these two dots and our thin black line and our thick black line? This is called a repeat sign. That means when you see a repeat sign, you go back to the beginning and you do it all over again. So let's put it all together. We'll play the whole song. It's that two-measure phrase played over and over again. We're going to use our backing track. So I want you to try to play along at home. Sit up nice and tall. Hold your saxophone correctly with your left hand on top and your right hand on the bottom. Get your fingers set for the first note, which is C, your second home key. Set your band face. Tap your toe on the beat and play along. 1, 2, ready, play. Every time we're playing a song together on these tutorials, make sure you're listening to the sound that you're making at home and see if your sound and your rhythms and your notes are matching the sound of what I'm playing here on the video. I hope you enjoyed learning this song. Down below we have links for you to download the sheet music. It's free sheet music. Download it, copy it, share it with your friends. And also there's a link to play along with the backing track that we have for this song. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.